Right. Are we all okay to shock people? Paul sent me a link. So I clicked on the link. That's opened up on another page. So as long as I keep talking and share that page, you'll see what he sent me. Is that right? Yes. Okay.
Sure.
I'm talking. So hang on. I click on that. Is that right?
That's lovely.
Okay.
I like that.
That's a really nice photo.
Yeah, that'll do.
Where's he gone?
Why do we want to see that?
Because Paul mentioned it to me and I asked about it.
Why can't he send it to you by email or Facebook?
Seriously, send it to you.
Why can't he send it to me? What's the problem here?
Yeah.
As mild as it is, if it run a risk of getting this fucking channel kicked, you know, it's just not worth the fucking shit, is it really?
There's nothing there at all. Not even a bum.
That's really something I don't want to fucking see, Sammy. Fucking before. La-di-da, la-di-da.
Can't see why you can't just reverse polarity.
Let's not talk about...
Now you're talking stuff that I don't understand.
Let's not talk about motors. Let's talk about wives laying on a fucking cold floor having photographs taken of bitches. On and upwards.
I'm gonna see if Kim will lay on the shop floor out here for me.
Yeah, you'll have to polish it first, but
it's like -40, isn't it? Poor girl, she won't get back up off it. She'll be stuck there. Thora.
Listen, Robert, are you saying you've not got any naked pictures of your wife?
Who?
You're getting very fucking close to getting fucking...
No, I'm not saying. No, come on. Are you saying you haven't got any naked pictures of your wife?
Why the fuck would I want pictures?
Do you want some?
Oh, do you want some?
Oh, that one.
I didn't think that was going to work, that, Jason.
Set you up on that one. I didn't think you'd have to do it.
Well done, Guido.
Thank you.
Oh boy!
Yes, that's very true. I do hate Robert Nurden. He's a motherfucker. He's always laughing, he's always doing stupid things, he's funny. But, you know, he's alright, but he's just over the top. He's strange. I think they should drop him out. That's why us Indians hate the fucker. He's a nutter. And fuck off.